Hey guys, as you all know, Google and Bing don't work on Internet Explorer 8 anymore because for some reason they stopped support, and there's a way to fix it. So first of all, we're gonna go to this URL. Unfortunately, the live site is down right now, so we're gonna have to use an internet snapshot from the Wayback Machine. Then you install the user agent extension. I have it here right now. You just press run, you agree, you install it. As you can see, it's done now. You press close. You do have to restart Internet Explorer for this, so let's do that right now real quick. You just close it and wait for it to close all the tabs and then reopen it. Something I like to do is go to Tools and then press Reopen Last Browser Session. It's pretty useful to get your old tabs back from a previous session. Give it a moment. Now, as you can see, it still doesn't work because we're still Internet Explorer 8 to the browser. So now you press Tools, and then you press Set User Agent String, and you set it to something like Internet Explorer 10 on Windows 7. And you press Save Changes, and there you go, Google is back again. This also works for Bing, by the way. There is one thing though, because the legacy UI only works on these old browsers, but it's kind of broken because when you Google something, it doesn't work because it somehow, for some reason, gives you the modern UI on this old browser. As you can see, here we have Google as well. This is Firefox. Firefox 52 also gets the legacy UI, but when you Google something, you can see it gives you the modern search UI, which is in some way pretty annoying because that way you can't search anything. So until this is fixed, go pester Google about it, but until then, you can Bing. The UI is a bit broken, but it works. If you want to visit the site, as you can see, wow, why am I so low in the search results after literally looking for retro.net? So then you go to the site, it gives you this weird thing, which doesn't work because HTTPS. You just press home, remove the S, it'll redirect you once again to the HTTPS site, and if this site supports HTTPS only, you're cooked. But else, it just loads up like that, and there you have your website with Bing and everything. So yeah, have fun, I guess. Make sure to, I don't know, check my channel out.